Tiger? Doing some exercises, learn how to walk?
Well.
Yeah.
Sort of. Do a standing up. Stand up. Yeah. Honey. Want to sit down? Want to sit a second? Mama's knee's right there. Whoa, she said, I'm jumping back up again. You cute little person. She just had green beans for lunch, and she loved them. She loves green beans. She's grinning. She loves the camera on her. Oh. There's my knee right there. You can sit down. You can sit down. You can sit down and rest your bones. Rest your bones.
Is that your Andrew McCarthy?
You mean Charlie McCarthy?
Charlie McCarthy.
Isn't Andrew McCarthy the dork from the movies? You want to try to crawl, honey? She said, not really. I want to stand up. Okay. Now hold up. Hold up your front there, honey. Okay. Can you do the rock? Can you rock and rock? Rock back and forth?